Good morning, students. This is Vishwanath sir, and today I will be discussing about simple, compound, and complex system. Now, please examine the following sentences. His courage won him honor. The moon was bright, and we could see our way. The night came on, and rain fell heavily, and we all got very wet. Number 4. They rested when evening came. Number 5. As the boxer advanced into the ring, the people said they would not allow them to fight. Number 6. Anil called at 5:30 and I told him that you have gone out. Now let's take each sentence one by one according to case and let's understand. In case 1, that is sentence 1, we see that the sentence has only one subject and one predicate. Such a sentence is called simple sentence. So what is the first sentence? The first sentence is, his courage won him honor. So this sentence, number 1, has only one subject and one predicate. And it is called a simple sentence. So definition, a simple sentence is one which has only one subject and one predicate. Now let's come to case number 2, that is sentence 2. Sentence 2 consists of two parts. The moon was bright and we could see our way. So what is the sentence, or what was the sentence? The sentence was that the moon was bright and we could see our way. The word and joins the two sentences. So what we see here, these two are joined by a coordination conjunction and. Each part contains a subject and a predicate of its own. Each part is called a clause. In this case, we further see that each clause makes a good sense of itself. Each clause therefore is independent and is called a principal or main clause. A sentence such as number 2 that is made up of multiple or main clauses is called a compound sentence. Students, let's start with the continuation. Case 3. Sentence 3. The third sentence consists of three clauses of same category. It means sentence 3 consists of three principal or main clauses. The night came, number 1. Number 2, rain fell heavily. Number 3, we all got very wet. Such a sentence is called compound sentence. Now let's go to the definition. A compound sentence is one made up of two or more principal or main clause. So here we have a small note, and the note says, the term double is used for a sentence consisting of two principal or main clause, and the term multiple is used for a sentence with more than two principal or main clauses. Now here in this we see we have three main clauses and we can call it a multiple. Whereas in the previous sentence, that is sentence number 2, it had two clauses, two main clauses, and we can call it as a double. Now let's come to case number 4 and sentence number 4.
It consists of two parts. They rested, number 1, and number 2, when evening came. Each part contains a subject and a predicate of its own and forms a part of a large sentence. Each part is therefore a clause. We further see that the clause "they rested" makes a good sense by itself and stands by itself and makes a complete sentence. It is therefore the main clause. The clause "when evening came" cannot stand by itself and make a good sense. It is dependent on the clause "they rested." It is therefore a dependent clause or a subordinate clause. A sentence such as sentence 4 is called a complex sentence. Let's come to case number 5. A sentence, case number 5, consists of 3 clauses. The people said, main clause. As the boxers advanced to the ring, subordinate adverb clause. Number 3, they would not allow them to fight, subordinate noun clause. Such a sentence is called a complex sentence. Definition of complex sentence. A complex sentence consists of one main clause and one or more subordinate clauses. Case number 6. Sentence 6 consists of 3 clauses. Number 1, Anil called at 5:30. Number 2, I told him. Number 3, that you had gone out. Such a sentence is called a compound sentence. In addition to 2 or 3 main clauses, a compound sentence sometimes includes one or more subordinate clauses. Now children, this ends your simple compound and complex sentences for now. Now what I want you to do is write down the entire thing that have been written, that you have seen on the whiteboard. Write them down and read them in serially. You will be able to understand the thing fully. Thanks.